My name is Jake Barnes. I'm a senior here at Concordia. I'm majoring in Biomedical Science, the Pre-Med route, and I am involved in SGA. I played men's soccer for 4 years. I am the vice president and co-founder of the Pre-Med club here on campus, and I work in the LRC as an SI leader, and then I'm also involved in CAST. Originally, it was actually a pretty late decision. I was looking at small liberal arts schools, mainly because my dad used to teach at UW-Madison, and just hearing the stories is way too big for me, so I started looking small. Obviously, the location was awesome. I met with some of the faculty beforehand, and they sort of led me into looking more in depth at the biomedical science programs around the state, and I really liked what I saw at Concordia. I was able to play soccer, which was awesome, and able to get my foot in the door for some research, which was pretty cool. I've been really happy with my decision. I think especially the liberal arts degree, being able to be more of a well-rounded person, has not only made me a better student now, but will make me a better physician, which is my end goal. So life after graduation consists of medical school. So obviously research is a big aspect of that. Being able to know faculty that sort of can explain what medical school is about and help me get my foot in the door that way has been awesome. Also, just sort of being able to reconfirm that that's what I want to do with the rest of my life, and hearing about other options has been really helpful here. Whereas at a bigger school, I might not have been able to have that one-on-one interaction with the teacher to talk about their path and what medical school might entail. The CW Pre-Med Club has also been really awesome for me. It's been a chance to sort of help others along the same path. So athletics, at first I didn't really know what it was going to entail, but teamwork, obviously, no matter what you're going into, I believe teamwork is probably, if not the biggest skill that you could possess, one of the most important. So besides teamwork, it's also shown me dedication. Obviously, over 4 years, I've put in a couple thousand hours into soccer. It's shown me how to give back. We do volunteer experiences, and it's also taught me how to be a leader, which is important in the medical field. Yeah, so I took a trip to the Caribbean with both Dr. Cortes, the ecology of the tropics, and so we went around on a cruise ship and studied the ecology. It doesn't sound much like school, but we did have to do quite a bit of schoolwork to prepare for it. So we studied the ecology, did snorkeling, and studied the different reefs and fish types and how they sort of coexisted and all those sorts of things. So that was a really great experience. I think that being able to go abroad and study, and it was honestly a super easy process just to sort of get set up with that. That's one thing that Concordia does a really good job at. I know that our study abroad program as a whole has been something that many students have taken a part of, and I think that's awesome.